How to get the dark mode on YouTube app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the dark mode easy on YouTube app. So first thing, go to YouTube and now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Now all what you have to choose is go to the settings option down here, click on it. And now you will find many options here. Just choose the first one, it's general. Click on general and now it will take you to this page, and right here also you will find many options, but here is the dark theme option. You can turn it on just from here. As you can see, you can turn it on or turn it off as you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.